Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Combat Craig, and today I want to talk about property tax exemptions. I went and completed my paperwork yesterday, so I want to tell you what to expect. So, for starters, I live in Idaho, so these are the Idaho rules, and it's going to be different in your state. Some states swing left and right and up and down and Republican and Democrat and whatever, so it's different for everybody. Some states are better than others. In Idaho, you have to be 100%, doesn't need to be P&T, just 100%. And then you also need to own a house, right? I own my house. And it needs to be in your main residence, your primary residence. You also need to have the homestead exemption filled out already. So that's the thing that says, hey, I live in this house to the state of Idaho. I live here. This is my only residence. And instead of paying like $1,800 a year, it's like $1,000. So you have to have the homestead thing done, which I already have that. And then once a year, you have to go in with your 100% paperwork. And they just need the Veterans Benefits Summary Letter. And the main parts that she was interested in are the date of the letter. So it's January 12th, 2022. My name and address, obviously. And then they're not really worried about the benefit amount and all that. Combined evaluation, 100%. That's important. She was looking for that. And then the effective date of the letter was the third most important thing. They're all equally important. That's what they're looking for. So in Idaho, it's $1,500 off. So I pay less than $1,500. It's about $1,000. So I don't pay property taxes. Again, your state may vary. If you're in California, it's probably going to vary a lot. Texas, some other states, there's no property tax. And you may not have to do this every year, but in most states you do. So make sure that if you're in one of those states that you don't have to go in every year and hand this piece of paper in, make sure that's the case. And don't go on rumors and reading blogs. Go into your county assessor's office. And when you hand this in the first time, say, hey, nice lady, do I ever need to come back here and do this shit again? She'll say yes or no. And then I'd still go back and bring it in the next year because maybe that chick didn't know what she was doing. So anyway, it's a 2022 application for property tax benefit for veterans with 100% service-connected disability. This is the form. Basically, she handwrit my Social Security number on there, my date of birth, asked me some questions. You know, do you occupy this place? Are you a U.S. citizen? Standard fare kind of stuff. This is my Social Security number. This is my birth date. I'm not lying. I'm a legal alien. Not an illegal alien, a legal alien. Yeah, this is going to be the attached documents of the current VA letter. It's a deed or title action. It's for a single family and for a sole owner. So that all, and then the tax reduction isn't to exceed $1,500. We covered that. She stamps it and dates it. One thing that was that happened on here that was kind of funny, she misspelled my last name. That happens a lot. So she added a letter to my name. So double check this stuff. Every form you send to the VA, the state in which you live, the federal government, you know, make sure your name's spelled right. It's your legal name, all that kind of stuff. Because I went through, she's like, yep, is everything right? She's asking me, is everything right? Is that your social? Is that your, it's like, all right, now let me see it before you go running off to Mr. Tax Guy. And my name was misspelled. So she brought out whiteout, not the old school, but the tape kind. And I was laughing. I was like, damn, I haven't actually seen whiteout in action in 15 years because I type stuff. So they had to correct that. If you don't want to pay property taxes and you're a 100% disabled veteran, this is what you need to do, and you need to do it before tax day. Out. Let me jump in here real quick and tell you about my boot camp. If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my boot camp. You can talk to me live. There's a link on the website. And in the description, combatcraig.com. And also, if you need medical evidence, like a nexus or documenting your symptoms properly, go to our website, combatcraig.com, and it says medteam/nexus letters. Click on that link, fill out the form, boom, you're done.